The poll was commissioned by the group Keep Utah Medical, but what it asked was Utahns' feelings about legalizing recreational cannabis.
I think it's important to know where we are as a state.
Alex Orge helped the ballot initiative campaign to legalize medical cannabis in Utah back in 2018. He's part of the group Keep Utah Medical that paid for the survey. It found 52% of Utahns surveyed would support a recreational cannabis citizen ballot initiative. 38% said they would vote against it, and 9% were unsure. But Keep Utah Medical isn't planning to go recreational. Here's why.
I don't think that there is that appetite quite yet. But if we don't get ahead of this, if we don't start looking at ways to improve our program, if we don't make it easier for patients to access medical cannabis here in our state, it will happen eventually. It's happened in every state around us that's passed a medical program.
Now, the poll also had some other interesting data points. Conservatives, Latter-day Saint voters, registered Republicans largely disapproved of the idea of legalizing recreational cannabis, but that was not absolute. In fact, there were even breakdowns according to what type of Republican you were. If you supported President Trump, you only disapproved by a small margin compared to other Republican voters. But liberals, moderates, independents, those who are not Latter-day Saints, by and large, they were the ones who made up the majority of people who did support legalizing recreational cannabis. By the way, the Utah State Legislature did pass some modest changes to the medical cannabis program in this last legislative session, including expanding slightly the number of pharmacy licenses available. In Bountiful, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.